temperatures,
No,
right? And kind of stand
and you know,
below
in
that.
middle of June, we could see temperatures up over 100. So we're not getting there, and most of the reason for that is all the afternoon showers and thunderstorms, and we're going to expect more of them for at least another couple of days. As we head towards the end of the weekend, we start to look for maybe a change in this weather pattern. Got to get there first, and our Wednesday, our Thursday, our Friday, heading into the weekend, it's more of the same. I don't see a lot of activity this morning. Now, the last couple of mornings have had a little bit more shower activity offshore, especially a couple of days ago. I think today we're going to find more of those afternoon type showers popping up when the sea breeze starts to do its thing after we get some of that daytime heating. We're at 68 degrees in Valdosta right now. We're at 71 for Tallahassee. Going to find some patchy fog out there, so do be careful on the roads. Nothing in the rain bucket yesterday, but we did have enough showers nearby to keep our temperatures out of the 90s. I think today 90s in reach, but we're not talking widespread numbers up into the 90s, and certainly not for several hours like you could get this time of the year if things were a little bit drier. We're at 71 this morning in Perry. Wilma and Quincy at 68. How about 72 for Bainbridge this morning? Same air mass sitting there, nothing organized, no new boundaries, no new energy, nothing that would change things up. As we go upstairs in the atmosphere on the water vapor imagery, we see all this white color. That tells us there's plenty of moisture stacked through every layer of the atmosphere, and that's why it doesn't take much to shake a few showers out of the clouds. Futurecast wants to try to get those showers going probably shortly after lunchtime today. I'm not expecting all afternoon soakers everywhere. I'm not expecting big dangerous thunderstorms, although a strong one can never be ruled out this time of the year. We're looking at those 15, 30, maybe 45-minute downpour and done type rains. That's it. Got this little area of energy here in the tropics. Looked a little bit more promising yesterday, and even then it didn't look all that promising, but it's something going on in the tropics, and we keep our eyes on everything happening in the Atlantic hurricane season during the Atlantic basin, and right now that's the only one and likely never going to turn into anything more serious, so that's good news. On the Gulf today, winds out of the southwest 5 to 12 and seas 2 feet or less. More good weather for the boaters. Get the sunblock on, 15, 20 minutes tops. Skin will burn. There's a look at the tide times. You can always double check these, WCTV.tv. It's our webpage. We're finished the high tides. We head to the low tides a little bit later on this morning. I think we're going to see 60s become 70s, quickly become 80s fast, and likely top out there this afternoon. Rain chances, though, 60 or 70%. So count on getting wet. Again, if you don't, you're one of the lucky spots. The showers fizzle once the sun sets. It stays muggy, more patchy fog tomorrow morning. Rinse, lather, repeat. It seems like we do that every day. This is June. It's what happens. Now, here comes that little pattern shift, or at least we hope it does, Sunday, Monday. Now, that means a little drier, fewer showers. Remember, that will bring in hotter temperatures, so be careful.